So this is the third question of the packet of the vector analysis ones. That's 8, by the way, 8 degrees, not 80. So we have something that looks pretty much like that in our packet. So finishing off the triangle like all the other ones before, we'll have, we'll make something that looks like a right triangle. This will be our 90-degree angle. So we'll have our x and our y, and I don't know if you've seen the other videos, but Mr. Middleton didn't give us anything here, and I asked him what we should do there. He said either variables or put a number in there. So I'm going to put in a number there. So the way you solve for this is the SOHCAHTOA, which is trigonometry again, just in case you didn't know. So let's solve for the y first. So the way you do that is you look at this number. Y is opposite, and then we know our hypotenuse. So we're going to use the sine function. So sine of 8 degrees is equal to the opposite over hypotenuse, so y over 4. So when you get that, you get a number here, and then you times it by 4 to solve for y. So you get a y that is equal to 0.557. I'll do this in the calculator real quick just for an example of how you would do it. So we do a sine of 8 is equal to, again, some number, and times it by 4. And you get 0.55669, so I rounded that to 0.557. So that's just a quick little example of how you would do that. So for the next one, I'm not going to show you how to do it in the calculator. So for the next one, we want to find the x. So if you look at it, it's adjacent to the angle. So we're going to use the cosine. So we're going to do the cosine of 8 degrees, not 80, is equal to the adjacent over hypotenuse, so x over 4. So when you get that, you solve it all out. You get an x that is equal to 3.961 because you get a number here and times it by 4, and you'll get 3.961.